Hey everyone, I'm Tom, your new LGBTQ Liberation Officer. Since it's Pride Week here in Leicester and we can't all be together, I wanted to do something very fun, not very healthy. We're going to do a Pride baking competition and it's your chance to win a free DMU hoodie. You just have to bake your favourite snack, throw some pride on it and share your work on Instagram with the hashtag DSUPride20. So I've decided to give myself a challenge to get myself prepared for the next year, and I'm going to make a rainbow cake with the help of my friend Michelle.
Hello!
We'd usually be making my favourite snack, chocolate brownie, but instead we're just going to try and give this a go. I've never made a cake with more than 2 layers, so 6 is going to be pretty interesting. With someone who's
definitely. I'm not the greatest at baking.
No clue at baking. But we're going to have a massive bag of sugar. That's probably going to help us out. There's plenty of energy in there. We'll see how it goes. So we've measured our ingredients out and we've already dropped an egg on the floor. My fault. Now I'm going to give Michelle the job of sorting the cake out.
Here we go.
Because...
Daddy.
Okay. Do we even need yellow colouring?
Yeah, a little
It's all
bit.
yellow.
We'll have a little bit. How much?
Just go wild with it, like we did the others. It's fine.
Well,
Like, yeah, like.
okay.
Enjoy yourself.
That's a lot.
It's fine. So Michelle had another accident.
Yeah, I'm not good at this
She's
stuff.
gonna have to put trays together.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm doing my best. I swear it all goes wrong again.
Just have to try to not burn it. So we finally finished baking and it took a lot longer than we thought it would. We've literally been baking for about 5 hours. And our cakes had to cool down, so we have been sat doing nothing. But it is finally finished. It looks okay, I guess. It's so heavy. But anyway, I really can't wait to see what you all get up to. So good luck to you all and hopefully I'll see you in the week. Happy Pride!